My sisters and brothers, let's prepare to celebrate these sacred mysteries.
The Reverend John Gardner delivering Mass to followers at St. Matthew's Cathedral in Washington. Some Catholics here prayed for Pope Benedict after learning he was resigning because of failing health. Father Gardner says he was not surprised the Pope is stepping down.
But it's got to be one heck of a job, and I think that he's being realistic, and if he accepts the resignation of other bishops at age 75, I think in my mind this is the ultimate good example, that he's not just talking the talk but walking the walk.
Kate Corriton, a parishioner, says she was stunned when she heard the news.
I think it's shocking. You know, it's been 600 years since one has resigned. I'm sure people want to make sure that he's able to fulfill his job, and if they felt that that wasn't done in the past, you know, he may have just wanted to not cause any controversy.
In New York, with one of the largest Catholic populations in the United States, Cardinal Timothy Dolan said he was startled by the announcement.
And I just always admired him as a scholar, as a priest, as a holy man. And now my admiration for him is even higher because of his humility.
Others, like Wayne, gave a special prayer for the Pope.
I think, you know, Pope Benedict has done a great job, and I just feel that we're blessed to have had him as Pope, and, you know, just thank him for his service to the Church. You know, I just trust the Lord will help them make the right decision.
Some Catholics say they hope the next Pope will come from a developing nation, but others, like John Vehe, disagree.
That's not as important to me as having a Pope with, you know, potentially slightly more moderate views than the current Pope, Ratzinger.
Some U.S. Catholics say the Pope's resignation creates excitement and anticipation to see who will be the next leader of the Catholic Church. Chris Simpkins, VOA News, Washington.